Welcome to this tutorial video on Hoodin, the SaaS platform for life science regulatory affairs specializing in regulatory intelligence, standard intelligence, vigilance and surveillance, technology intelligence. The first stage of any Hoodin project is the setup phase. This is where the keywords and important attributes of your product or product type are being defined. The only input needed for the setup is actually only the product name or product type together with your company name. In this example, we add a product type since we would not wish to reveal content related to an existing product. From this input, the Hoodin system generates a set of keywords to use for various monitoring purposes. As you may see, the keywords are mainly attributes from the technical documentation of your product, such as indication, intended use, important components, etc. Hoodin even has the capabilities to recognize predicate/competitive devices. The key data related to a product type or a specific product will be utilized to create a customized monitoring setup to meet your specific requirements. This is the feed view, where all matched and retrieved content will be displayed. To read more about an article, you simply click on the feed item to open up an expanded view. The displayed text is where your matching words have been found most times. Below the article text is an article summary provided by OpenAI. You may add the summary to a comment of the article. Once added, it becomes an attribute that is related to the article and visible when shared and used in reports. Besides the monitoring feeds that were created before you got access, you may create new monitoring feeds. To do so, you go to New Monitoring Feed in the left-hand menu bar. Then select any of the suitable use case templates available. Each use case template consists of a selection of suitable monitoring feeds. To set up a new monitoring feed, click the box with the feed you wish to select. In the first step, you decide what sources you wish to monitor. If you wish to see more available sources, you may clear the filtering to see all available sources. In the following step, you add your matching words that creates your monitoring query. With Hoodin, you will monitor the most required sources to retrieve the content and data needed. Some other features that is good to know about are
multiple monitoring feeds. You may activate several monitoring feeds within the same Hoodin project. Tag articles. Tag content to make insights actionable. Changelog. Any change is kept in the changelog, a valuable feature when there is time for an audit. Feeds with RSS URL. Want to share your selected articles in Slack or MS Team Chat? Then use the RSS feed setting for monitoring feed. Add own sources. In case a sources is not available in Hoodin, you may add it on your own or request it.
the values of using Hoodin. Don't ever miss important content again. Be able to work with fact-based decision-making. More efficient work process with easy collaborations. Time to focus on growing your expertise. Lower your internal costs. Hoodin, your ally in life science compliance and innovation.